Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are discussing the most important vocabulary words to pass all competitive exams. First one is dearth, कहत, किसी चीज़ की कमी हो जाना. Synonyms is shortage. The next one is lacking, scarcity, deficiency. Use of this word in this sentence is there is a dearth of merchandise at this market. The second one is the next danger was from the people who were infuriated by dearth of corn. Peer, झांकना या हम रुतबा. An equal, look closely, try to see. Use of this word in this sentence is peer pressure is strong among young people. The second one is it will not be easy to find his peer. Depreciatory, तहकीर अमेज या फरसूदा. Devaluing, criticizing, degrading, demeaning. The man's depreciatory remarks about his wife's weight led her to be depressed and insecure. The second one is with a depreciatory grunt the jackal again complied. Placid, mutmain, peaceful, calm, serene, peaceable. Use of this word in this sentence is he had a placid nature. The second one is he washed the placid surface of the sea. Docile, atat guzar, obedient, subservient, dutiful, willing. Use of this word in this sentence is the woman he remembered were docile and silent. The second one is the next morning she was very docile but evidently homesick. Ascertain, दरियाफ्त करना, find out, make sure, discover, work out. Use of this word in this sentence is he couldn't ascertain the truth. The second one is a postmortem was ordered to try to ascertain the cause of death. Affability, खुश खलकी, खुश इखलाकी. Friendliness, cordiality, congeniality, warmth. Use of this word in this sentence is his free-handedness and affability made him very popular with his soldiers. The second one is his affability conduces to success as a salesman. Jaded, ताया हुआ, tired, bored, थका हुआ, dulled, blunted. Use of this word in this sentence is you look very jaded, you need a holiday. तुम बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हो, तुम्हें छुट्टी की ज़रूरत है. The second one is after 24 hours traveling, Aisha is jaded and never wants to travel again. Judicious, समझदार, fair, wise, dulled, blunted. We should listen to the judicious opinion of that old man. The second one is the experienced software engineer is judicious when it comes to finding the best way to code a software application. Lithe, lachakdar, agile, deft, nimble, graceful. Use of this word in this sentence. He turned and mounted his horse in one lithe movement. The second one is his walk was lithe and graceful. Snarls, बुड़बड़ाना या उलझाना. Growl, show its teeth. Use of this word in this sentence. The dog bared its teeth in a senal. The second one is she answered with an angry senal. Litigation, मुकदमाबाजी. Legal action, legal dispute, case. Some business disputes require litigation. This litigation filled the state and federal courts for many years. Malnutrition, नाकिस ग़िज़ा, poor diet, undernourishment, undernutrition. Poor eating habits or lack of available food may lead to malnutrition. The second one is the children's stomachs were distended by malnutrition. कॉन्फिस्केशन जब्त करने का अमल, impounding, appropriation, requisition. The news laws allow the confiscation of assets purchases with proceeds of the drug trade. The second one is the teacher confiscated all cell phones for the duration of the field trip. Arboreal, shajari, related to trees, living in trees, inhabiting trees. It is easy for the deer to hide in the fallen leaves of its arboreal habitat. The second one is many people believe that humans evolved from arboreal ancestors. Autonomy, खुद मुख्तारी, self-government, independence, sovereignty. Demonstrators demanded immediate autonomy for their region. The rebels are demanding autonomy for the area under their control. Autonomy, खुद मुख्तारी को बोलते हैं. Recession, दस्तबरदारी, depression, slump, slow down, downturn. People were afraid to spend money during the recession. The second one is the company built up during the economic recession. Stringent, सख्त या कड़ा. Firm, rigid, severe, exacting. Use of this word in this sentence. She failed to meet the stringent selection criteria. The second one is I was so happy to move out of my parents' house and escape their stringent rules. Deteriorating, zawal pazir hona, decline, decay, degenerate, worsen. Leather can deteriorate in damp conditions. His health began to deteriorate quite seriously. So it's enough for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.